We're continuing night operations. Brake pads. Lovely weather right now. A little humid on the rainy side. Go ahead and take the bolt out in the back. Alright, got that out of there. Press in all the way. Slowly. With love. Yeah. Once you got that, make sure you're in all the way. Alright. Once you got all the way in, we already went over this. So this. A little bit of your brakes QuicK. Little good product. And anti-seize lubricant. Open up. Lubricate your bolts. Little grease there. Take that out of there. Alright. Lubricate the top. Alright. Put that there. Obviously, this is a front wheel drive, so you gotta have the car in neutral. With the emergency brake on. Little anti-squeak. Put a little bit of this grease in the back. Put that on there, spread it evenly. Slap that baby in there. Knock that one on there. Oh, lost the light power there. Alright, hope you're able to see what I did there. Show you a little bit of caliper action there. So you can see how the caliper lifted. Once you're there, everything's back in. Slap that back on there. Put the bolt back on. Make sure everything lines up. Alright. Once you got that lined up on there, That'll do that brake job. See if you can see there. A little better. Alright. See that fully coated. For my people in Panama, I miss you guys. Doing a little bit of work here. Trying to keep myself busy. Love you guys. Let me stop this right here real quick. Get all sentimental.